In the world of entrepreneurship, myths abound like weeds in a garden. These myths can often discourage aspiring entrepreneurs or lead them astray from their goals. However, Robert Kiyosaki, the renowned author of Rich Dad Poor Dad and a prominent figure in the realm of financial education and entrepreneurship, has dedicated much of his career to dispelling these misconceptions. Through his books, talks, and interviews, Kiyosaki has shattered numerous myths surrounding entrepreneurship, offering invaluable insights to those venturing into the business world. In this video, we delve into the top 5 myths about being an entrepreneur as debunked by Robert Kiyosaki. Myth 1. Entrepreneurs are born, not made. One of the most pervasive myths about entrepreneurship is that it's an innate trait, something you're either born with or without. Many people believe that successful entrepreneurs possess a unique set of qualities that cannot be acquired through learning or experience. However, Kiyosaki vehemently opposes this notion. He argues that while certain personality traits may predispose individuals to entrepreneurship, such as risk-taking and creativity, entrepreneurship is ultimately a skill that can be cultivated and honed over time. Kiyosaki himself didn't come from a family of entrepreneurs. He learned the principles of business and investing through trial and error, as well as through mentorship from his rich dad. His own journey is a testament to the fact that entrepreneurship is a path that can be chosen and pursued with dedication and perseverance. According to Kiyosaki, anyone can become an entrepreneur if they are willing to learn, adapt, and take calculated risks. Myth 2. Entrepreneurs need a great idea to succeed. Another common myth perpetuated by mainstream media is the belief that successful entrepreneurship hinges on having a groundbreaking idea. Many aspiring entrepreneurs spend an inordinate amount of time searching for the next big thing, believing that success is contingent upon inventing a revolutionary product or service. However, Kiyosaki asserts that this belief is misguided. In Kiyosaki's view, entrepreneurship is less about the idea itself and more about the execution. He emphasizes the importance of solving a problem or fulfilling a need in the market rather than fixating on innovation for innovation's sake. Kiyosaki advocates for a mindset focused on providing value to customers and building sustainable business models rather than chasing elusive unicorns. Myth 3. Entrepreneurship guarantees financial freedom. One of the most alluring promises of entrepreneurship is the prospect of achieving financial freedom. Many people are drawn to entrepreneurship in pursuit of wealth and autonomy, believing that owning a business is a surefire path to prosperity. However, Kiyosaki warns that entrepreneurship is not a guaranteed ticket to riches. While entrepreneurship certainly offers the potential for financial rewards, it also comes with significant risks and challenges. Building a successful business requires hard work, resilience, and a willingness to embrace failure. Moreover, many businesses fail within the first few years of operation, highlighting the inherent uncertainty of entrepreneurial endeavors. Kiyosaki advocates for a holistic approach to financial education, emphasizing the importance of financial literacy, asset accumulation, and risk management. He encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to focus not only on generating income but also on building long-term wealth through strategic investments and passive income streams. Myth 4. Entrepreneurs work less and earn more. The image of the entrepreneur lounging on a beach while passive income flows into their bank account is a seductive fantasy perpetuated by popular culture. Many people are drawn to entrepreneurship by the promise of flexible schedules, unlimited earning potential, and escape from the 9-to-5 grind. However, Kiyosaki asserts that this romanticized notion of entrepreneurship is far from reality. In truth, entrepreneurship often entails long hours, hard work, and considerable sacrifices. Successful entrepreneurs must be willing to hustle, persevere through challenges, and juggle multiple responsibilities simultaneously. While entrepreneurship offers greater autonomy and control over one's time, it also requires discipline, focus, and a relentless drive to succeed. Kiyosaki emphasizes the importance of setting realistic expectations and being prepared to put in the necessary effort to achieve success as an entrepreneur. He encourages aspiring entrepreneurs to develop strong work ethics, prioritize tasks effectively, and cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. Myth 5. Entrepreneurs must go it alone. The archetype of the solitary entrepreneur bravely venturing into the unknown armed with nothing but their wits and determination is deeply ingrained in our cultural consciousness. However, Kiyosaki challenges this myth by emphasizing the value of collaboration, mentorship, and building a support network. In Kiyosaki's view, entrepreneurship is not a solo endeavor but a team sport. He advocates for surrounding oneself with knowledgeable mentors, supportive peers, and trusted advisors who can offer guidance, feedback, and encouragement along the entrepreneurial journey. Kiyosaki attributes much of his own success to the mentors and partners who have guided and supported him throughout his career. Moreover, Kiyosaki stresses the importance of continuous learning and personal development. He encourages entrepreneurs to seek out opportunities for growth, whether through books, seminars, workshops, or networking events. By leveraging the collective wisdom and experiences of others, entrepreneurs can accelerate their learning curve and avoid costly mistakes. Robert Kiyosaki's insights serve as a valuable antidote to the myths and misconceptions that pervade the world of entrepreneurship. By challenging these myths and offering practical advice based on his own experiences, Kiyosaki empowers aspiring entrepreneurs to pursue their dreams with confidence and clarity. Whether you're just starting your entrepreneurial journey or seeking to elevate your existing business, embracing Kiyosaki's teachings can help you navigate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. As Kiyosaki himself famously said, the size of your success is measured by the strength of your desire, the size of your dream, and how you handle disappointment along the way. And there you have it, 5 myths about being an entrepreneur busted. I hope this video has inspired you to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams and debunked some of the misconceptions holding you back. Remember, with the right mindset and determination, anything is possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.